Welcome. This is how to use the Reports tab. I use Reports tabs to look at past reservations and upcoming reservations. It's also the only way to get a list of all the gear in the system. In this video, we will be showing you how to look up reservations and how to create a stock report. First off, make sure that you're in the Reports tab. Now click User Bookings Report and select User Booking Report again. And under Location, you're going to select SCM Film. Then go to Booking Status and select Awaiting Collection. Now go to Time Period. I have mine set to this month, but you can adjust it by dates. I just find it easier to do it by the month. This next part is important. Make sure your report detail is marked as detailed. This will make printing much easier. Finally, you're going to hit View Report. And here's what it looks like. This will tell you the student's username and full name, each of the gear they checked out, and when you have issued the student's gear. The barcodes will later show up under Resource Item. You have the option to print this out or save it as a PDF or Excel sheet. This user report section will also show us what's currently reserved. Let's just go back to the general settings and change the booking status to in use. And don't forget to hit View Report and ta-da! This will make returning items easier if you're not near a computer but have these pre-printed. Final note on this section. Just be sure to read through your selections before clicking View Report. Now we're going to do a stock status report. Go back to Reports and then select Stock Status Report. Select Stock Status Report again and adjust your settings by either department or resource type. It doesn't matter which one you pick, just make sure you have selected all of the film-related resources or classes. And as always, make sure your report detailed is marked as detailed. And View. Here's all the equipment that's currently in R&R, and it's separated by class departments. These are nice just to do stock inventory check, and you can also save these as an Excel sheet if you want to copy and paste anything that are in these cells. And that's how you use reports. Thank you for watching.